In the last video too, we explained the role of parents in school activities, especially in those activities that may feel discriminated against. The parents could organize all the students and take control so that the students who had needs are helped without it being so notorious. Diversity manifests itself in different ways in societies. In the case of us who are group Phi, I think that the time difference has not allowed us all to meet together to work in our project. Another diversity that did not allow us to meet was the various tasks, such as working hours. In my case, I came home at night, and the meeting were in the afternoon. Even so, diversity unites people.